So the judge made a ruling today. Judge Engelmeyer, that's the judge on the Treyway case, on the 9 Trey Gangsta Bloods case. So the judge made a ruling today, and his ruling is going to have long-lasting ramifications. He made a couple of rulings. But the rulings that we're going to talk about in this particular video is the defense isn't allowed to talk about Tekashi's domestic violence situations or the mess that happened with the young girl before he got to 9 Trey. Me and the Notification Gang would like to invite everybody to come join us Monday through Thursday, 9:20 to 10 o'clock for morning coffee, where we discuss the events of the prior day and also just talk mess about stuff. See you then. BBN, Jack Frost. What's up, party people? So apparently, Judge Engelmeyer in the Manhattan courthouse today, the Thurgood Marshall courthouse, has said that there will be absolutely no mention of the child sex case that involved Tekashi 6ix9ine. Now, real quick, first of all, just to be clear on this, everybody go check out Sean Sataro's column at Complex. Shout out to Sean, shout out to Complex. Go check out the column on Complex. The name of the article is 6ix9ine child sex case and domestic violence accusations will not be scrutinized at trial. Now, okay, so I was personally sitting in court, just so we could be clear on this. I'm not telling you this because I'm reading from the article. I'm saying that I've also read the article, and it's a pretty good article. Go check it out if you're interested in this particular case. So, basically what happened is the judge has said that he's not going to allow for the defense to assassinate the character of Tekashi 6ix9ine. There's a couple of different, there's a few different parameters that was put on the questions that can be asked. And I think this has a lot to do with the fact that Tekashi is not on trial here. The two individuals that are on trial are Nuke, that's Aljamain Mack, and Harv, that's Anthony Ellison. Those are the two individuals that's on trial. If the whole entire case starts to revolve around Tekashi 6ix9ine, it can get out of hand. If everything, if these guys' guilt or innocence are put or determined about Tekashi 6ix9ine's, guilt or innocence in a previous trial, or how people perceive that particular trial, that's gonna harm this trial. So Judge Engelmeyer said that this will not be allowed, and the reason being it will be inflammatory and grossly improper and a character assassination. So, just so we could be clear, both sides is not going to be able to ask Tekashi 6ix9ine about the case involving the minor. Now, with that being said, they are going to be able to bring up that Tekashi 6ix9ine was found guilty, or there was a felony that is attached to him, or whatever the case might be. They're going to be able to speak about the crime, not the actual crime that was committed, but that there was a verdict that went against Tekashi. They are going to be able to speak about that. And in addition to this, just so we can be clear, also, they're not going to be able to speak about any domestic violence. There will be no domestic violence brought up. The defense counsel is not going to be able to ask Tekashi 6ix9ine about domestic violence at all. So they're not going to be able to bring up any articles. They're not going to be able to speak about anything that has to do with domestic violence or the charges involving the underage minor. So yeah, that's basically what's going on with that particular story. Just to let all of y'all know, I want to give y'all a real quick recap. Tekashi 6ix9ine is not going to be able to be asked about the domestic violence situation that involved his baby mother Sarah Molina, and in addition to that, he's also not going to be able to be asked about the particulars involving the case with the minor. Now, for everybody that want to know and understand this, Another thing that the defense is not going to be able to do is the defense isn't going to be able to bring up interviews, or at least the portions of interviews that he did where he spoke on any of these things either. So if Tekashi 6ix9ine did an interview, and in that interview, like the interview that he did with DJ Academics, shout out to DJ Academics, like the interview that he did with DJ Academics, they are not going to, the defense attorneys are not going to be able to bring up those interviews, or at least isn't going to be able to bring up the parts of those interviews where he spoke about the situation with the minor. The judge does not want this in his courtroom. He seems pretty serious about this. So, yeah. Let me know what y'all guys think about this. Do y'all think the judge should allow it? I mean, I got my opinions on it. I mean, at the end of the day, I think that the judge isn't going to allow it. Basically, like he said, it has to deal too much with character assassination. And just to win a case because you assassinate one person's character, in contrast with actually proving the burden, or proving the government is wrong, or, you know, your client is innocent, basically, you know, that should be where they should put their resources, proving that the client is innocent and not just trying to double down on assassinating another person's character. So that's what it sounded like the judge was saying. I don't know. Let me know what y'all guys think about this. Leave it down in the comment section. And also, do y'all think that at least a minimum the domestic violence accusations should be admitted? But I think that the thing about the domestic violence accusations, why those can't be admitted, is, just so we can be clear on this, is because those never went to court. They were just accusations. That's it. They never went to court. Nothing was ever proven. This is a court of law. You can't just you know, that's something big to bring up, especially with Tekashi not even being on trial here. Somebody else is on trial. So Tekashi's isn't even on trial. So I'm assuming they're looking at that like that's something big that it doesn't make sense for them to bring up. Anyway, so let me know what you guys think about this. Do y'all think that that's fair? Do you think it's unfair? Do you think it's going to play any part in what Tekashi actually is going to say about the two defendants, you know, knowing that they cannot ask him about the underage girl or ask him about his relation with his baby mama? Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, join the notification gang, hashtag Bronx Bombs. Let's get it. I love y'all. Take care of each other. Hug the kids for me. I haven't forgotten about you. And that's all I got on this one. I'm out. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you would like to help dictate the direction that this channel takes, please leave a comment. All comments are appreciated, whether positive or negative. Thank you very much and enjoy your day. And remember, positive thoughts cause for positive things to happen. Let's get it.